Alright guys, well, that's the engine bay looking a lot more cleaner. We need to still remove a lot of the grease and stuff. It's coming along. We may not even get to that by the winter time if it gets snowy, but we got a bunch of parts taken off that we needed to take off. I'm going to take the wiring harness inside and start working on getting it cleaned up and looking better. But that's all for this one. You may see another video tomorrow. We'll see. You guys take it easy though.